Hi everyone, welcome to the part 2 of our Excel for data analysis series. In this video, we are going to dive deeper into two important comparisons. SUMIF, SUMIFS, COUNTIF, COUNTIFS. These functions are incredibly useful when you need to work with the conditions in your data. Whether you are summing values or counting them based on one or more criteria. Let's explore how they work. Let's start by understanding the difference between a SUMIF and SUMIFS. Both functions help you sum value based on certain condition, but there is a key difference. SUMIF allows you to sum value based on one condition and SUMIFS allows you to sum value based on multiple conditions. Let's see example. What is the total sales of electronics? We can use a SUMIF to find this. What if you want to know what is the total sales for electronics in the north region? This is where SUMIFS comes in handy because it allows us to add more than one condition. Let's see how we can do this in Excel. Our first question is what is the total sales for electronics? For this we will use a SUMIF function. Let's write SUMIF. First, we have to select category column, comma, then electronics, comma, then sales column. Enter. This means total sales for all electronics item is 4,400. Let's simplify. First we have selected category column, then we select electronics, then sales column. For better understanding, first we have selected category, then electronics, then sales column. Our next question is what is the total sales for electronics in the north region? For that we will use SUMIFS. For that we will write is equal to SUMIFS. Then first we will select, we are looking for north region sales. So for first we will select the sales column, comma, then our category column, comma, then what we are looking for electronic, comma, then region column, comma, and north. So it will give us north region sales for electronics. Let's simplify what we have did. First we have selected sales column, then we have selected category column, then we select electronics, then we select region column, then we have select north region. So yellow highlighted is a column. For better simplification you can remember like this. Now let's move on to COUNTIF and COUNTIFS. These functions work similarly to SUMIF and SUMIFS, but instead of summing values they count the number of cells that meet your criteria. For instance, let's ask how many products belong to electronics category. We will use COUNTIF for this since we only have one condition. For how many electronics products are sold in the north region, for that we will use COUNTIFS. Let's see how we can do that. Our first question is how many products belong to the electronic category. For that we will use a COUNTIF function. Let's write COUNTIF. First we have to select our category column, comma, electronics. Enter. So we have 4 products belongs to electronic category. How we do this? Let's write simplify it. First we have selected category column. Then we selected electronics. Next, move on to our next question. How many electronics products are sold in North region? For that, we will write our COUNTIF as then we will select first we have to select category column. Then what we are looking for electronics. So comma electronics comma then we have to select our region column comma then we have to select the region which is north. So two products belongs to north region in electronics category. Let's simplify it. First we have selected category column. Then we have selected electronics. Then we have selected our region column. So copy it. Then our region is north. And there you have it. In this video, we have covered the differences between a SUMIF, SUMIFS as well as COUNTIF and COUNTIFS. You know now how to use this function to analyze data based on one or multiple conditions. Make sure to download the dataset and try these functions out yourself. In the next part of the series, we will be diving deep into more advanced Excel functions for data analysis. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.